Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about PetLabCo supplements. You should use their supplements or not. Does their supplement really work or not? So first of all, as you know, PetLabCo is a very popular brand and they have different kinds of product related to dog related problems like allergy and all. So there are so many probiotics is also available for your pets. So basically this brand is very popular and this brand is approx like 7 years from now. And overall, after making a research, we can say this brand is 100% legit. Okay, there is no problem. But if we talk about like the results, basically when you take any supplement for your pet, it will not give you instant results. It take times like 1 week or 2 week, and in some cases if product is related to allergic related problems, it can give you instant results like within 1 day or 2 day. But if we talk about like some product that is like probiotic joint care and Probiotic Advance, and there are so many products you can check out, dental sticks and all. So basically there some product is really good, they will give instant results, but some of them may take time like approx 1 week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks, depends on you can like dog to dog or pet to pet. But we can say this thing like this brand is 100% legit. But the only thing you have to keep in your mind when you purchase product, try to purchase product for one time purchase. Otherwise, if you forget or if you are going to make a subscription, then if you don't want any product, you have to pay subscription fee. So if you don't want any product and if you have taken any subscription, so please don't forget to cancel your subscription. So only this is the main problem. Okay, and rest each and everything is good. The brand is 100% legit, there is no problem. You can purchase product. I will provide you link in our video description below. You can check out the products. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next upcoming videos.